Dear students, now I will discuss with you the other part of this lesson that is associated with the branches of accounting. Accounting has a number of branches, but three important branches are very important. First, it is financial accounting, then cost accounting, and then management accounting. Branches of accounting here means the specialized area of accounting. Accounting has number of specialized area, so it is called by the specialized area, and accounting is the last word for that. For example, first it is the financial accounting. Let's understand the meaning of financial accounting. The accounting system concerned only with the financial state of affairs and financial results of operations. In this class 11, and as well as in class 12, whatever you will study, that is called as the financial accounting. Financial accounting basically concerned with the recording, classifying, summarizing, and interpretation of the results of the financial transactions. So it is the original form of accounting. It is mainly concerned with what? With the preparation of the financial statements for the use of outsiders like creditors, debenture holder, investors, financial institutions, and so many other parties. So that branch of accounting which is associated with the preparation of the financial results, reports, profit and loss account, balance sheet, that is called as the financial accounting. The other branch of accounting is called as, very simply, cost accounting. Cost accounting means what? As the name itself states, that branch of accounting which calculates the cost of production of goods and services, that is called cost accounting. Because cost accounting is very important area in order to fix the price of a product. Price of a product comprise two elements. One is the cost and other is the margin, that is profit or loss. So it is very important that cost must be accurately calculated. Cost accounting means that branch of accounting which helps us in the calculation of cost of production of goods and services. Financial accounting does not perform this function. In view of the limitation of financial accounting in respect of information relating to the cost of individual products, cost accounting was developed. As you know, फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग से आप कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन नहीं कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं, तो उसके लिए जो फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग की लिमिटेशन है, एक नई ब्रांच को डेवलप किया गया, दैट इज नोन एज द कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग. इट हेल्प्स अस प्रॉपर एक्यूरेट प्रिसीजन कैलकुलेशन ऑफ cost of production of goods and services. The other important branch of accounting is known as management accounting. As I share with you that management has the basic function of planning, decision making, controlling, organizing the resources. So for that they need the information. That branch of accounting which provide the information to the management for their different purposes like planning, organizing, decision making, staffing, controlling, budgeting, reporting, that is known as management accounting. It is an accounting for the management. In other words, the presentation of accounting information in such a way as to assist management in the creation of policy and the day-to-day operations. It covers all arrangements and combinations or adjustments of the traditional information to provide the chief executive with the information from which he can control the business. For example, information about various activities of the organization. So management accounting is that branch of accounting which provides information to the management relating to the management of the affairs of the organization. These are the three important main branches, which are financial accounting associated with the calculation of profit and loss, as well as to know the financial position, then cost accounting, calculation and measurement of cost of production of goods and services, and management accounting, which provide the valuable information to the management for their decision making, planning, controlling, and other activities. Apart from this, there is another branches of accounting known as the tax accounting, which helps in calculation of taxes and other duties. Social responsibility accounting, which calculate the value of the contribution made by the business towards the society in terms of welfare and the other upliftment activity. Apart from these also, there are also other different forms of the accounting. So this way, we had learned various aspects of accounting, starting with the meaning, then to the objective, then to the advantages, then to the limitations, then what is the need of accounting, then who are the users or various parties who are interested in the accounting information, and then what is the difference between bookkeeping, accounting and accountancy, and then the significant branches of accounting. I request you, you must go through very carefully because theory is very important from practical point of view. You can solve the practical only when you had the expertise and understanding of the theory. I hope you would follow my words. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe. Stay at home.